You are anointed. May kapangyarihan ka, inanoint ka ng Diyos, anointed ka, bata ka ni Lord. Amen! Bata ka ni Lord, kaya hindi ka basta-basta. Hindi ka basta-basta susuko, bibigay sa problema dahil bata ka ni Lord. Kung nahihirapan tayo, anong sabi ni Rev June? We are more than conqueror. Put on the full armor of God for us to stand. Pag sinabing stand, tatayo ka lang, wala kang gagawin. Because 2,000 years ago, God had won the victory. So, tumayo ka lang. Ano, lalaban ka? No! We are not fighting for the victory. Because Jesus have already won the victory 2,000 years ago. Anointed has a specific assignment. Alam natin through scriptures, no, mga kapatid, nakita natin yung mga inanoint. Si Moses, ano ba yung kanyang assignment? Kanyang assignment is to deliver the Israelite. Tama ba? And si Joshua, to lead the people to the promised land. And Jesus Christ, no, anointed to bring salvation. Inanoint ka, merong kanya-kanya tayong assignment. Kapalagay mo, ano yung assignment mo?